Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bike Rider. Today we're diving into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a motorcycle that promises to bring both style and performance to the streets. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie, this bike has a lot to offer. Let's take a closer look. Design and looks. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 brings a fresh, modern aesthetic to the iconic Royal Enfield lineup. With its compact and minimalist design, it strikes the perfect balance between classic and contemporary. The muscular tank, sleek tail, and retro-inspired round headlamp give it that timeless Enfield appeal. But it's the clean lines and sharp edges that set it apart from its predecessors. The vibrant color options add a touch of personality, ensuring the Hunter 350 turns heads wherever you ride. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Hunter 350 packs a 349cc air-cooled engine, offering a smooth 20.2 horsepower and 27 N of torque. This engine is built for versatility, ideal for both city commutes and weekend road trips. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making it easy to ride in any situation. Plus, the new 6-speed gearbox improves the riding experience, especially on highways, offering better fuel efficiency and a more relaxed cruising speed. Handling and comfort. When it comes to handling, the Hunter 350 is a true performer. Thanks to its lightweight build and 17-inch alloy wheels, it's incredibly agile, making tight corners and city traffic feel like a breeze. The suspension setup, classic telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers in the rear, make sure that it's designed to offer long-distance comfort, making this bike just as enjoyable for short spins as it is for long journeys. Technology and features. Royal Enfield isn't leaving riders behind in terms of tech. The 2025 Hunter 350 comes equipped with a digital analog instrument cluster that offers all the necessary info, including a trip meter, fuel efficiency readouts, and even a gear position indicator. Additionally, there's an updated LED tail lamp and a more refined switchgear. The bike also boasts an improved braking system with dual-channel ABS, giving you more confidence when stopping at high speeds. Price and conclusion. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Hunter 350 offers an impressive value for money, with Royal Enfield positioning it as an affordable option for enthusiasts looking for a stylish and reliable machine. The pricing is competitive, especially given the features it offers. To wrap it up, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a blend of style, performance, and modern features. Whether you're an urban commuter or an occasional road tripper, this bike is sure to enhance your riding experience. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Catch you in the next one.